Fried rice is so easy to make. I use a day-old rice and turn it into a much tastier and healthier dish. And my secret ingredient is bacon fat, because why not? Bacon fat makes everything taste so much better and tastier, and that smoky flavor makes a big difference. If you want to learn how to make my fried rice, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Red, the Cooking Dad. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you get notified when I upload new videos. I'm gonna crush some garlic here and then remove the skin. I don't want that. Also gonna add an egg. I'm gonna scramble this. Season it with salt and pepper. Then set this aside. And of course we have rice. So I have a day-old rice here. So what you do is just try to separate the big lumps and just make it like this. It's separated. Season it with salt. And pepper. I'm also gonna add some mixed vegetables. This is corn and green beans. It's time to fry our rice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm using bacon fat. This will make the fried rice really tasty and have the bacon taste and smell. Now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna add in our mixed greens. Check our rice.
If you like this video, smash that like button. How about 1,000 likes, please? Turn on notifications and please subscribe. See you soon!